Yuka Pro.
Hi! Welcome! I am back with another game. And this time, I don't really know what this game's about. I can't make any whole references anymore. I know it's about a cat. And he seems sad, so... In the year Grandpa died. Oh. I can choose. Not in the woods, baby. We had the worst flood since 1998. Greg got trapped on top of the doghouse. The power was out for 2 days. He turned to my dad. I was still alive. This house is haunted. He said. And died. Ah. Nice last words, buddy. Dun, 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 dun. Well, this is great. I mean, I didn't expect a party or anything, but I figured someone would be here. Welcome home, May. He's so cute. Welcome back to Garo, man. What's in the news today, Mello? Markets were up today. Way up. Oh. Tell me more. I'm looking at the... Oh, too fast. No, fuck you. No, I guess I... Am I forced to watch? It's... Stop using big words. I don't understand them. My mind, we got a little political there. Gotta get political every now and then. Wait, am I able to just... Hey, can I talk to you, man? Oh, it's the Y button. That's why. Excuse me, But where is everyone? It's 10:45. It's closed. Not a lot of folks getting off at the last bus to Possum Springs these days. Just you. Ooh, my decisions. Yeah. Isn't there supposed to be someone at the desk? Closed. Why are lights on? Why is the TV on? I get spooked when I'm here by my lonesome. Right? Yes. I get to be in Zeffy's shoes for one day. Kinda Zeffy's shoes. The same species as Zeffy. Oh. Can I squeeze past you? Nope. Just broke the damn thing. Well, do you think... When do you think it might be done? Right after you go grab me a Visa Cola from the machine. Am I paying for this? I always rig it when I'm here after hours. Nice. Free isn't free. Free isn't no one's here to say otherwise. Nice. Thank you, Kimchi. Wait, let me get a fast cola. Did he just make a little sound? I heard that shit. Wait, that was so cute. Oh, he made like a little grunt sound. It was really cute. Wow, when did he put this up? Possum Springs has never looked more falsely advertised. What the? They have lime Fazo, and he wants a Fazo Cola? That's just a waste. Get yourself one then, bro. Okay, gotta grab it. Oh, look at Wait. Ha. One free ass cola. There we go. Yeah, they're annoying. Yummers. So what are you doing here? I live here. Well, lived here. Strange. When do you think the doors are gonna be finished? Now. Goodbye. Oh, bye. Wait, did he even say thank you? Oh, bye. You just fucking... Damn. Not even like, leave the door open and be like, hey man, here you go. Nope. Oh, I didn't even realize he used the drill to open the can. That's a little nasty. Concrete soda. Yummers. I'm not walking back out to the highway. Or get hit by a car or something. Hey, where did that janitor go? He was a ghost. Did he walk? He's a ghost. Well, I'm right outside town. Mom and Dad nowhere to be found. Dark and cold. Guess I'm walking. Oh, that sucks. Alone. Oh, that's rough, bud. Nasty. This bus station is maybe the newest thing in the Possum Springs. Guess they got state funding or something? Makes a good first and last impression, I suppose. Not for the addition of glass factory back there. Not getting rid of that anytime soon. Oh. It tastes like sadness and despair. My favorite. Dun, dun. Wow. I didn't realize how much I missed outside the train. I used to hear in my bed at night during the winter when the leaves were down. How poetic of you, Mr. Cat. Well, I guess I'm gonna hike through the woods. Ah, through the woods is go home. That sucks, bud. My bed and my negligent parents. That sucks. Woo! Let's be reckless in the woods. Woohoo! Oh God! This is some dank nature. Dank nature and garbage. There used to be an old sawmill around here, I think. I mean, the park up there is called Sawmill Park. Looks like they lost a log load or some point. Ugh. Gotta have to climb this, I guess. Oh, just to get home. Ooh. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. Oh. Pff. I'm a cat. Oh my God. That was dangerous. But I'm a cat in the game. That was dangerous. I could have died. That was amazing. I'm not going to die in this hole. Hell no, that would be sad dying. It's all the way across town. I'm not saying that word. Yeah, yeah. Try to do something cute like a nya or a meow. Can I give you like a nya or a meow? There you go. Those are your mouths. Shopping bags are a little ghost of grocery stores. Hot and everything else. Nice. Love that logic. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. There we go. It's perfect. Ha ha ha. Merp. Murph. RT. Hard RT. Wow, I haven't been here in maybe 10 years. And apparently no one else has. Shit. 1, 2. I don't know what they're gonna do here. Some sort of boat castle? Most of it's gone now. There's a few weird animals to eat. Damn. Oh, come on. I don't have the upper body strength to climb this. Let me see if I can visualize this. Jump, jump, yeah, fuck. I can do it. Big dog or cat. I don't know. I'm having an identity crisis apparently. Imagine the whole next hour of the stream is just being stuck on this one part. Well. Boom. Ah, shit. I'm sorry, the cat told me to go fast! Bam. Oh. Oh my god. I'm just there. I'm just there! I'm just there! Okay, one more time. Fuck yeah! I'm scared of fucking up now. It's only been 2 years since I lived here. On this playground. Possum Springs, I mean. This is all getting jumbled. Should I write it down? R.I.P. Granddad. This is some talent, my boy. Skip your way through there. Do, 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 do. Boop. Oh, hi. Hello, May. Been a while? Been a while? Hey, what are you doing here? Nothing better to do? I was out here doing my rounds. I saw you in a very off-limits playground. So, get in the car, May. No. Do you want to spend your first night back in jail, May? No. I don't think Zeffy's here, sadly. She might be asleep or something. Hi, family. Hey, remember me? Ugh! Man, you give me a heart attack. Good. What are you doing? Oh. May, honey, we thought you were coming tomorrow night. You thought wrong. How did you get here? I walked until I got arrested. By Aunt Mollicop. Oh, did you say to hi to Molly for me? No. I said hi for no one. I said hi. F the cops. I'm going to bed. Is my bed still here? Or are we waiting for tomorrow night for that too? Ooh, sarcastic. Wait. Ah, May, so good to hear your voice again. Good night. Nice. I should have explored the room. I didn't know if I could. Well, it's too late. We can do that in the morning. Ooh. Nice dream. Nice dream, bud. Little guitar.